Happy day to all. This is Dr. Nivedita, co-founder and chief physiotherapist of Sri Aahana Physiotherapy Clinic and Academy. We are here with an initiative called the Women Physiotherapist Self-Development Program. This program aims at improving both the clinical as well as the self-development skills of women physiotherapists. It consists of concepts from neuromuscular therapy, which will help in treating your patients manually rather than relying upon machines. It also concentrates on the sole concepts of exercise therapy, which is the major solution to almost 100% of the mechanical issues faced by the human body. This program is specially designed for the women population of physiotherapists because we find many women physiotherapists facing a lot of difficulties in continuing their profession due to both the personal as well as professional reasons. And here we are to help them overcome those obstacles. It makes a lot of difference to treat patients and to treat patients successfully, and we'll show you that difference. Thank you.